Hello folks, the tour continues. We are now on South Street in Philadelphia here. So I just hope the light just turned green for me. That's very nice of it. It's a very nice light there. So this is John's birthplace of Larry Fine, entrance on 3rd Street. So I guess Larry Fine was born here, of course, to the Three Stooges, and I am a Three Stooges fan. Hey Mo, hey Larry, find the grouse. Oh, my beautiful Stradivarius. Why, I oughta. So anyway, Larry Fine was born here, birthplace of Larry Fine. Even though that's a Curly impersonation, but I did my Larry Fine. Oh, my Stradivarius, my beautiful Stradivarius. So we're at the birthplace of Larry Fine, right? Larry Fine, ladies and gentlemen. South Street is quiet today. It is Sunday. If you have people at church, I don't know. Exodia Diamonds. Mod Loft. The Boiler Room. Good food, good fun, good friends. 21 beers on draft. The Boiler Room. Here we have some blinking lights. I like blinking lights. Theater of Living Arts. This says, fuck Comcast and Live Nation, music will never die. Music will never die. Fucking right. Alright, and away we go. Over here, these items. Stay up to date with the latest news. There you go. Beware, fun ahead. That's an ATM. Straight cash, homie. I'll be back. Copa reopening soon. That's it. They owe Arnold money now, I guess. He's got money. Probably not as much as he once had with that divorce, but you know. So now, here we are. There's a big X in the middle of the road there. So there we go. Now let us continue onward. There. We find ourselves at Jim's Steaks. Right there. Since 1939. I don't mind telling you, the Yankees won the World Series in 1939, by the way, as well as 36, 37, and 38. How about that? So, there you go, folks. New Philadelphia restrictions, only 5 customers at a time inside. Takeout only, no restrooms. But, so, I think I'm going to go in there and order something for takeout, though. Why not? So I'm going to go into Jim's Steaks, so we'll tour more South Street later.